I'm Justine Janae Bailey. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about they, them pronouns. In last week's video, I talked about going beyond the binary and how things exist beyond this black and white, introvert, extrovert, straight, gay. There's also bisexual, there's ambivert, and when it comes to gender, there's non-binary. It's the people who exist in the middle. And my kid is one of them. My oldest kid, Jade, just recently changed their pronouns to they, them. They'd been going by she, they for several months now, and it was always an extra special treat whenever someone referred to them as they. Upon further reflection, they felt like they were not a girl or a boy, but that they were just them. And so they, them feels like the most appropriate pronouns for them. When I first heard about they, them pronouns a few years ago, I had a hard time accepting the fact that we were using a plural word to refer to a singular person. But then I realized that we actually already correctly use them to refer to a singular person when the gender is unknown. Here's an example. Say you work at a restaurant and you notice that a customer has left and they left their keys on the table. You might say, oh no, they already left. Let me go chase them down and see if I can find them. In this situation, we're using they and them correctly to refer to one person. The gender is unknown. Because Jade doesn't feel like a girl or a boy, they, them feels like the most appropriate and inclusive pronouns to use to describe their gender. Not adopting those pronouns and continuing to refer to Jade as she would be the equivalent of referring to me, a woman, as he. If somebody were to say, he teaches dance at Go Dance, it would be very strange. It would feel weird to me. Like, why are you referring to me as he? That's not my gender. You're misgendering me. It's the same thing if we were to refer to Jade as she. This takes getting used to. I'm still making mistakes and catching myself all the time. The most important thing to do when you're getting used to it and you're in that transition is to catch yourself if you say the wrong pronoun, say sorry, correct it, and then move right on. Don't over apologize, make a huge deal about it. Don't make it about you. Just correct yourself, move on, and work to do your best the next time. It's really the intention that matters the most. People want to know that you're trying to use the right pronouns for them and to assign the correct gender to them. It all comes down to a matter of respect and helping people to feel seen. If somebody's referring to me as he, him, they don't see me for who I am. This is a totally new thing for a lot of people. I get that it's not easy at the beginning. Quick aside, if you're liking this content, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. When someone is non-binary, it's not just the pronouns that matters. It's also all the gendered terminology. So I don't refer to Jade as my daughter anymore. I refer to her as my kid or my child. Gender neutral terms. There are a lot of terms that are missing in our language still, like what is the gender neutral term for niece or nephew? In some situations, you're gonna have to find a way around that and just say, my sister's kid, or things like that. I'm sure the language will evolve as society evolves. For now, do the best you can and try to remain gender neutral when referring to non-binary people. It goes a long way in showing your love and respect for them. I am so proud of Jade for being her full authentic self and communicating that to the world, even when it's challenging. I support my kids fully in whatever way they want to identify and express themselves, in whatever way they want to be seen by the world. It's part of living an authentic life. You be truly you, I'll be truly me, and I'll see you in the next video.